it's drying up. Everything is drying up and my face, all the pimples are just drying up. Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. Hope everyone is doing great today, because me, I am doing so great. Like, I'm doing so great. I'm happy this morning. I'm so excited, guys. I don't know if you can tell from my face, you guys. I'm very excited because there's been a struggle. From the title below, you guys already know what it is. It has been a serious struggle for me. I went from this to this. It has been so difficult to get my face smooth. So I'm going to be telling you guys, or gisting with you guys while I'm doing my makeup. I'm going to be gisting with you guys what I use, what I tried, things I used that did not work, and things I tried that that still worked or did not work. So, and yeah, I'm oily to combination skin. So what I'm trying to say is that it's what might work for me might not work for you, and what might work for you might not work for me. So it just all depends on your skin type. If you are new here, just see me for the first time, or you're just watching my video for the first time, because I have a lot of tutorials going on down there, you know. So if you're just watching my video for the very first time, just go ahead and click the subscribe button and join the family. Give this video a big thumbs up if it's helpful, and also leave a comment. Share this video to friends and family. Yeah, let's jump right into the video. And I also want to tell you guys that you guys should just ignore the noise going around this whole filming or the environment, because the gen is on and the gen is actually close to my room. The noise is so high, so guys, just ignore it and let's jump right into the video. First, let me just introduce you guys to the hair I'm going to be wearing in this video. It's called UNice Hair and they ship worldwide. Here is their social media handle. You can go and follow them and also subscribe to their YouTube channel. Inside the box pack, I got stockings cap and also a hair clip. Before dyeing the hair, I just want to use the rubber band, or I'm using the rubber band to demarcate where I want to dye, so I don't get to dye all the hair. Okay, now we'll just go ahead to dye the hair, and I'm using this dye. I'm just only going to dye the tip of the hair. So I'm using this particular dye. It only costs about 200 to 250 naira, which is not even up to like $1. Okay, this is the outcome of the hair after washing with shampoo and conditioner. This is the outcome. I like the color that it actually gave. It's kind of a wine color. Inside the wig cap, you get about 3 combs and a brass strap, which will help you to be able to secure the hair on your head. Okay, you guys, today is Black Friday, so just take the opportunity to buy this wig and you'll get 15% off from 25th of November to 3rd of December. All the details of this hair will be in the description box below in case if you are interested. And also the middle lace in front is deep, which you can actually achieve this Kim K look. The wig itself is neatly sewn to each other, so yeah, check the description box for more details. So guys, I'm using these tires. I turned it inside this Zara container. I'm just going to spray it on my face, and after that we just go ahead to use this triple active nourish face cream on my face. Then after that we'll still go ahead to use this balance vitamin C brightening serum, glow and radiant. So I'm also going to use this on my face. So guys, I went off camera to do all the makeup because I don't know how to be talking and also be doing my makeup. I'm a kind of person that if I'm talking, I'm talking. If I'm doing something, if I'm working, I'm working. So that's my kind of person. It all started early this year when I was breaking out, and I was surprised because I didn't know what was actually costing it. Usually before, I used to do like DIYs. Anytime I start noticing acne on my face, I do DIYs and apply on my face mask, and they were really helpful. I'm going to leave a link of maybe 1 or 2 of the DIYs. I've done 1 or 2 here on this channel. I've done like a tutorial on that. I'm going to leave 1 or 2 links so that you can easily go and check it out. They were so helpful to me, but at the time even the DIYs were not working. I came up here on YouTube and I was just watching. I was watching YouTubers. I was watching all their reviews on products that I can use on my face to just help clear all those spots. So So when I watched about 2 or 3 YouTubers, so I started to just go into a cosmetic shop on my own. I didn't go to any dermatologist. On my own, I went to a cosmetic shop and I got those things. The whole thing became so serious, especially when I started using, there was one hydroquinone something chemical like that you will have to use. It, they said it dries up acne. It dries up acne. Wait, let me show you guys what it looks like. Okay, I'm back. This is the hydroquinone tetranol baby face lotion. When I went to one of the cosmetic shop, they actually recommended this, and you know, as a YouTuber, I always watch reviews from other YouTubers before I get things or I buy anything at all, especially if I'm confused, I'm not really sure of that product. So when I watch reviews on this, I didn't see any bad reviews, so I decided to use it. And before you could use this, you have to use like a cotton wool to just take a little and then just apply it just on that spot where the acne are or where. I started doing that. I apply it every night, and after every night, the next morning I wake up, the whole thing will just increase. That was when I knew that it wasn't like the products I used. It's something that was coming from the inside. And apart from that, I started noticing pains in my tummy. The pains were so severe, and why I wasn't getting results with all the products that I was using was just the fact that I was not eating well, because I started having pains in my tummy, which my mom said is ulcer. After treating the ulcer, I decided to take my feeding very serious, and that was when everything now became so clear that it was a food that was causing all the acne breakouts. So that's my little story, guys. I don't usually eat like very well. I hardly eat because of stress. I overstress myself. I work like from morning till night. I also work from Monday to Sunday or from Monday to Monday, because in my salon we open like on Sundays, because we tend to have more customers on Sundays, so that's why we open on Sundays. I work like from Monday to Sunday or from Monday to Monday, and I film like during the week and edit in the night. So I don't sleep, I don't get enough rest, and then I don't eat well. I eat like once or twice in a day. So that is it, guys, and now I haven't changed anything. I'm still using exactly what I was using before. I still use kojic acid sand. I still use the bismuth soap. I'm going to like insert either a picture or a video somewhere on the screen, which I use kojic sand soap first. I scrub my body with it first, and after scrubbing my body, I just go ahead to use the bismuth. And why I like bismuth is the fact that it has like that exfoliating agent inside, so that's why I usually use that. And after rinsing my body, I come out from the bathroom, and the first thing I do is to apply this vitamin C. I just got this, so I apply this on my face, just like 3 drops around my face, and spread it evenly with my hands. And after that, I use my body lotion. As you guys can see, my body lotion is over here. This is the body lotion I use. I told you guys nothing has really changed, and I don't use tons and tons of products like every other YouTuber does. I just use few things, because the last time I tried using a lot of products, it didn't work for me. And that's why I said what might work for me might not work for you, and what might work for you might not work for me. And you guys already know that I am oily to combination skin, especially my face. Okay, I don't use it all over my body. I just apply it around I just apply body lotions on my face, my hands, and my leg where I feel or I know that is exposed to the sunlight. So yeah, this is the body lotion I use. Like I said before, all the details of all products will be in the description box below, in case if you are interested in checking all of them out. And then this is honey, and it's natural honey. That this one is straight from the source. There's no chemical, it's not diluted, there's no chemical inside. So yeah, it's just straight from the source. This is what it looks like, and it's in this Nestle Pure Life container. This is where I usually store my honey. So these are all the products I use. I don't use much, like I said before. I don't use much products. I just do with what I know work best for me, because like I said before, what works for me might not work for you. So yeah, I just want to come up here and just talk to you guys about you taking good care of your health. Is very, very important. we all are all spirits. The only thing that gives us access to this earth is our flesh. We have to try as much as possible to always take care of our flesh, because that's the only thing that gives us access to this earth. Just like a car that you always have to refuel with fuel, and like your phone that you always have to charge, so you always have to like feed in right. You always have to take in good stuff, and whatever you take in will always reflect outward, or always reflect on the surface. So you have to try as much as possible. I'm also, as I'm talking to you guys, I'm also talking to myself. You have to try as much as possible to take care of yourself, eat healthy, eat nice. The reason why I really like this hair is that it's so soft and lightweight, and the fact that I was able to lay the hair without any struggles. It was just very easy for me to lay the hair, and I don't want to like wet it so much. I want to have this full look, and also the fact that I was able to tint the tip without using an expensive product is a plus for this hair. So yeah, that's what I actually decided to come up here and talk to you guys about. All the details of this hair will be in the description box below, like I said before, and it's really affordable. The pattern it's like this kinky pattern, but I do not really want to part the hair to this point. Hope you guys can tell. I hope this is helpful. Hope you guys were able to enjoy. Hope you gained one or two things from this video, and if you did, do not forget to share to friends and family. Also subscribe if you are new here. If you just see me for the first time, go ahead, video a big thumbs up and leave a comment. Tell me what you think, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed and eat healthy. Okay, bye guys.